In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your subscription in Base44. We'll walk through the process from inside your Base44 workspace, so you can easily upgrade, downgrade, or simply switch to a different plan that better fits your needs. Make sure you're already logged into your account before you start, so you can follow along in real time. First, look to the upper right corner of your Base44 screen. Here, you'll see an option labeled Workspace. Go ahead and click on that. This area is where you manage high-level settings related to your organization, so it's the right place to start when you want to update things like billing and subscriptions. Once the Workspace menu opens, you'll see several options. What you want to find next is Account Settings. Click on Account Settings to open the main configuration page for your account. This is where Base44 keeps anything related to your profile, security, and of course, subscription details. Inside Account Settings, look for a section or tab called Plan and Billing. Click on Plan and Billing. This page is dedicated to your current subscription, your existing plan, billing cycle, and payment information. If you ever need to verify what you're paying for, this is the place to check. Now that you're on the Plan and Billing page, find the option that says Compare Plans and click on it. This will open a view where you can see the different subscription tiers that Base44 offers. Usually, you'll see details like included features, user limits, storage, or any advanced tools that come with each plan. Take a moment to review the available plans and think about what your team actually needs. When you've decided which one is the best fit, click on that plan to select it. This is your new subscription choice. After you choose a plan, just follow the on-screen prompts. Base44 will guide you through any remaining steps, which may include confirming the change, reviewing the price, updating your billing information if necessary, and finalizing the switch. Carefully read each confirmation message so you know when the new plan will take effect and how it impacts your next invoice. Once you've completed the prompts and confirmed everything, your subscription in Base44 should be updated. That's all you need to do to change your plan quickly and confidently.